Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make zebra cake at home. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1½ cups of sugar, 1 cup of milk, and ½ a cup of oil. Also, have 4 large eggs, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract ready. Finally, grab 3 tablespoons of cocoa powder for that distinctive dark batter. Now, let's get mixing. In one bowl, whisk together your dry ingredients. In another, combine the wet ingredients. Gradually add the wet mixture to the dry, stirring until just smooth. Then, divide this batter evenly into 2 separate bowls. Into one of these bowls, gently fold in 3 tablespoons of cocoa powder to create your dark batter, leaving the other plain. This is where the magic happens. First, grease and flour a 9-inch round baking pan. Now, take a spoonful of the light batter and place it in the center of the pan. Immediately follow with a spoonful of the dark batter, placing it directly on top of the light. Continue alternating spoonfuls, building concentric circles. For a beautiful swirl, gently drag a toothpick from the center outwards. Almost there, preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Carefully place your layered cake into the preheated oven. Bake for about 30 to 35 minutes, or until a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. Once baked, let the cake cool in the pan for 10 minutes before carefully inverting it onto a wire rack. Allow it to cool completely before adding any frosting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.